You did it. You have just purchased a lift from Mechanic Superstore. Now the question is, how does this lift get to my shop? Mechanic Superstore offers multiple painless and easy shipping methods to best suit your situation. Option 1. Do you already have a forklift, high-capacity hoist, or a tractor? Here is a good option for you. First, let's talk about weight. A standard 9,000-pound lift weighs about 1,400 pounds. Because of the size, you cannot unload these by hand. It is mandatory to have a suitable forklift or hoist ready when the truck arrives. Please remember, the driver is there to deliver, but you are responsible for getting it off the trailer. If the truck shows up and you aren't ready with the right equipment, there is a $135 redelivery charge. Save your cash and have your gear ready. Option 2. Do you have a hitch trailer that can transport a lift? If so, this one may be best. You can stop by the nearest warehouse and bring that trailer with it. We can also transport a lift to a warehouse close to your location via an LTL carrier. Both Mechanic Superstore and the warehouses associated with it have the correct equipment required for loading your lift onto your trailer. Option 3. If there isn't a warehouse near you or you don't have any equipment necessary, no fret. There's still another great option in place for you. Mechanic Superstore can actually dispatch the lift to a nearby installer in your area. You will still have to pay the freight fee to the installer, but this option saves you a ton of headache. We will quote the installation fee before you pay for the lift so that you can get an idea of the total amount to pay. If all three of these options don't work, or you have a different shipping idea in mind, please feel free to reach out to us. We are open to all kinds of solutions, as long as they comply with the relevant local regulations and safety standards. For more information, visit mechanicsuperstore.com or call 866-774-7743 today.